Hi there, my name is Ian Glish and welcome to my Streamlit app on predicting airline passenger satisfaction using classification machine learning. This is my home page, and on the left I have a selector for the 5 different pages I've created. For data overview, I talk about a data summary of the data set, the source of the data dictionary, and include these 2 select boxes to show you information such as the data frame and the shape and size of the data. On the exploratory data analysis page, there are 4 different types of visualization options to choose from. For histograms, we can visualize numerical distributions such as age and also filter by overall satisfaction rating. For box plots, we can also visualize numerical distributions such as in-flight Wi-Fi service score, and we can also filter by overall satisfaction rating. For scatter plots, we can visualize relationship between 2 variables such as departure delay in minutes to arrival delay in minutes, and we can also filter by overall satisfaction rating. Finally, for count plots, we can visualize categorical distributions such as airplane ticket class and also filter by overall satisfaction rating. For training models and their evaluation page, the model type selector gives you the option between 3 different types of classification machine learning models: k-nearest neighbors, logistic regression, and random forest. The baseline model had an accuracy score of 56.67, so these various model types will need to have a higher accuracy score than that to be considered worth using. For k-nearest neighbors, you can specifically select the number of neighbors, or k, to influence the model's accuracy scores. Picking an updated number such as 5 results in updated training and test accuracy scores, as well as the confusion matrix visualization. Overall, these scores were much higher than our baseline model, but let's look at the other model varieties scores. For logistic regression, we got a training and test accuracy scores lower than k-nearest neighbors model variety. These are higher than the baseline score, but they're not higher than k-nearest neighbors. For random forest type model, we got a training and test accuracy scores of extremely high levels, much higher than any other type of model we looked at. This is the classification model type we will use for our own prediction model on the next page. For all 3 types of models, they all showed a higher rate of misclassifying satisfied customers as neutral or dissatisfied, which were false negatives, than misclassifying neutral or dissatisfied customers as satisfied, which were false positives. For the Make Your Own Airline Passenger Satisfaction Prediction page, you can use 22 features to input into the random forest classification model, and you can adjust the feature scale values below to make your own predictions on whether or not a passenger is going to be satisfied or not. Based on the input values you chose based off moving the 22 different sliders, the machine learning model will tell you whether it predicts a particular airline passenger will be either satisfied or neutral or dissatisfied, one of those 2 options. And this was my Streamlit app on airline passenger satisfaction prediction. Thank you.